Today we're going to talk a little bit about generator maintenance and why it's important to you, as well as warranties and how Baxter sells our generators. Generators are mechanical devices, not that much unlike a tractor or a large mower. And what we see more often than not is people get this generator installed and then it sits out in the barn for 3 to 5 years, only to be turned on the coldest day of the year when they need it the most, and guess what? It won't start up. Very passionate about maintenance. These are large investments. We would hate for it not to work when you need it most. So Generac has a great manufacturer's warranty on the actual generator. It's 5 years. Now at Baxter, we want to go beyond that. We actually give you a 5-year labor warranty that goes with it, and we're going to put a 5-year service plan on that generator, meaning we're going to perform the manufacturer's required service on it every year for the first 5 years. It'll cover everything end to end. However, there's a few criteria you have to have. One, has to be installed by a factory authorized dealer, which we are. Has to be routinely maintained by a factory authorized dealer, which we are. Only OEM parts, which means original equipment manufactured parts, can be installed. And additionally, you have to use a manufacturer service kit. With those things done, you do have that 5-year labor warranty. And if anything at all goes wrong in that first 5 years, you're going to be covered. We are so passionate about the products we install, we will not sell these generators without the 5-year service plan and the labor warranty. It's a large investment, and we want to make sure it's maintained and taken care of so that it works for you when you need it most. If you've got an existing generator, whether somebody else put it in or it was already there when you bought the home and it didn't come on when you needed it most, we want to visit with you. 405-341-3941. And please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can automatically receive video updates as we release additional content.